how to use checkbox and conditional formatting for dynamic display of data. In this worksheet we have two checkboxes, the contract and full-time. When we select one of the two, for example the contract, all the data associated will be highlighted by yellow, and for we select the full-time one, all the data will be highlighted by green. So our aim is to use checkboxes with conditional formatting. So first let's create and associate the data. Let's copy and paste it here. Let's format it a little bit. And to add checkboxes, you can go to the developer tab, and here developer tab, if yours is not activated, right click and click the customize ribbon and check the developer tab, and we can insert from the insert menu the checkbox. You can insert it here, add more, one more, so to change the name of the checkbox, right click and edit text, edit it, make it contract, change this also to full-time, to associate with the cell we'll go to format and control. We can press control and right click and format controls, so we'll link the cell here, the first one to H3 and the next one with we can link, press control and right click, and we can link this to H8 and OK. Now we can format and change the color of the checkbox. You can make it yellow. No, first select it, press Ctrl and select. Now you can change it, this one to green, and also press Ctrl this one also and change it to yellow. So we have changed the color. Now we can use a conditional formatting technique to associate it with data. Contract to the contract, full-time to the full-time. To do that, we will use a conditional formatting rules. First, let's select all and go to conditional formatting. We'll create new rule here. We'll use formula, and this formula bar can enter this formula is equal to int and open brace and select C1 and press F4 two times and equals to contract, comma, we'll select the cell H2 to associate it to, and we can use this color. So forget, okay, let's comma here. Now we associated it, so it's working. In the same manner we'll create new role for full-time. First, go to new role, and you can enter the formula here, and open brace. We'll select C1 and double press F4 is equal to full-time, and close the double quote, comma. We'll select this one H8, and we'll select the green one to make it same, and okay. Now we are associated it. So we have created both. Let's cover that cell in order not to distract the user. So it's working. When you select the contrast, it will highlight by yellow and full-time by green. It's great.